The advantages of DC to DC chargers. One of the primary reasons to install a DC to DC charger is to ensure efficient charging of your batteries. These chargers are designed to convert the voltage from your vehicle's electrical system to match the requirements of your auxiliary batteries. By optimizing the charging process, a DC to DC charger can deliver the right amount of current and voltage, maximizing the charging efficiency and reducing charging time. 2. For vehicle owners with dual battery systems, a DC to DC charger is essential. It allows you to charge your auxiliary battery while driving, ensuring that it remains topped up and ready for use. This is particularly useful for powering camping equipment, refrigerators, lighting systems, and other accessories without draining the vehicle's main battery. 3. If you have a solar power system, a 12V DC charger can seamlessly integrate with your setup. It enables you to connect your solar panels directly to the charger, which then efficiently charges your batteries. This integration ensures that the solar power generated is effectively utilized, maximizing the benefits of your renewable energy source. 4. DC to DC battery chargers often come with built-in voltage regulation capabilities. This feature ensures that your batteries are charged within the recommended voltage range, preventing overcharging or undercharging. Proper voltage regulation helps extend the lifespan of your batteries and ensures their optimal performance. 5. Many DC to DC chargers offer safety features such as overcurrent protection, short-circuit protection, and temperature monitoring. These features safeguard your batteries and charger from potential risks, providing peace of mind and protecting your investment. That's all for today.